In this video, I'm gonna to show you how to fix 2144 927 436. So to fix, there are two methods. You can try one by one. First one, you have to write here WS reset. So this is the first method you can try. Type here WS reset and and click on this run command. If it's not working, so try second method. Again, you have to open settings, and once you open settings, click on here apps, and here you have to click on installed apps. Now just you have to search mail and calendar. Now guys, click on these three dots and advanced options. Now here you will get these two options. Firstly, repair. If after repair is not working, so try with reset. Now restart and check. Still you have this problem, so reset. Now exit and reboot. Now exit and reboot your laptop, and still you are facing problems, so uninstall and reinstall from Microsoft Store. So these are methods you can try to fix this issue. Thanks for watching.